Guys, I just want to share with you a quick video here on this little design that I made for this laundry room sink. So if you want to check out the video, here it is. Quick video on the countertop for my laundry and pantry, I should say. The other one from the pantry, obviously you'll see it's done. This is the laundry one. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown. I ended up going with walnut butcher block from Lumber Liquidators. And one of the reasons is because I have to drill a bunch of holes for my washer and dryer lines and then my sink over here. So I decided that would be the easiest thing to drill, plus it's going to match really well with the floor and the white cabinets and everything. Couple tips on this. As you can see, this is the idea I came up with for the sink, because this is going to be a folding table as well. So I wanted to be able to put this back in. So what I did is I took my circular saw and I plunge cut out this square, and then I finished it with the jigsaw, and then I ended up taking this to the bandsaw and just cutting out some little finger things here so you can pull a piece out. And that way it'll fit right back in on the edge of the sink that's underneath here. And I'll be able to leave this in because I don't use the laundry tub that much, so that'll be nice. I can leave it in there, I can fold right over the top of it. The faucet will be tucked away in the back corner here. Obviously you'll see this in the completed picture and video, but I just wanted to give you a heads up. Sanding this, this is going to take you the most time. I had to finish this whole front edge because this is going to butt up against the washing machine. So this all had to get rounded over. The easiest way to do this, even though it's time consuming, is to start with a lower grit, like a 40 or 60, and work your way up, and you can't skip grits. If you want it to look nice and be nice and baby smooth, you got to do like a 60, a 120, and like a 180, something along those lines, and do at least a 180 or 220 in your finish. I actually just finished off with a 220 grit. If you have a dust collection system, that's definitely huge too, because it definitely helps out a lot. And then you're going to need a sanding sponge with a similar grit to get around the edges and stuff like that if you want to rub out the edges. But that's what I suggest when you're doing butcher block or any kind of project. The most time you spend sanding is going to give you the best finish. And you can feel this is like nice and smooth. I'm going to move it outside and I'm going to put some polyurethane on it now. But I just wanted to give you a sneak preview of what's going on here. And the little idea I came up here for I figured if I cut this out thin enough, it would fit right back in there real nice and I could fold right over the top of it. So I'm going to leave that in, and then when I need the sink, I can just pop it out and either set it somewhere or I'll find a place to hang it on the wall or something. So anyways, I'm going to run this outside. I just want to give you this quick video just to show you some quick tips on how to do this. These actually you can get at Lumber Liquidators. They did not sponsor this, but they do a really nice selection. I think this piece, it was an island piece, so it was like 6 foot by 3 foot, and it was like $420, I think, which actually isn't bad. And I had to buy this one for this one because I needed 30 inches wide. They do make a counter depth one that's 25 inches, so that actually works nice. And you can get those in 8 and 12 foot lengths depending on how much countertop you have. And you could also cut them at a 45 and butt 2 pieces for a corner or something, which would look kind of neat too. But the nice part is I do have extra, so what I'm going to do is, from when I did the countertop upstairs, I have these pieces left, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up cutting them down like in half and making some butcher block cutting boards out of them. And I think I'm going to do that. I have a little thing in the works. I think I'm going to do a giveaway for some of these butcher block cutting boards. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because that's going to be coming up, and I'll let you know when I get to that point. But I thought this quick video on these cool countertops, and I just love these countertops. I actually have this in my basement too. I did the oak style, and it's real easy to work with, and I just love the look of it. So that's it for right now. Stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, make sure you get in, because there's a whole bunch of videos for the laundry. I'm going to show the finished product, and you'll see how sweet it looks after we get done. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Take care.